So welcome in today's video. In this video, we will discuss about how to lose body fat in 7 days. But we will talk about some science-backed strategies like health, fitness, workouts, nutrition, and in further what rules we are following to reduce body fat in 7 days. So let us go through our video. As you can see, I have brought you to 7 days science-backed strategies. Yes, in 7 days you will see the changes in your body, less body fat. So let's continue our video. So in our 7-day fat loss formula, we will be discussing about 3 important tips to be followed to get our plan done. So first thing is exercise smartly. Everyone exercises daily, but none of the people are exercising smartly. So first thing we'll be focusing about doing cardio, doing cycling, doing abdominal workouts like abs workouts, for example, crunches, leg raises, planks. Why it is important? Because it boosts your metabolism, which will be reducing your fat loss, which will be reducing your belly fat or your body fat. Okay. Now, second thing is eating good diet or taking rich protein fiber diets, to not taking sugar, not taking processed foods, not taking excess salt, because it is not good for your body fat as it will be increasing your body fat. So you should take right amount of diet like high quality protein, high quality fibers, and some supplements like vitamin D, vitamin C. These are important. So, and a third thing is lifestyle. So what comes in lifestyle? Like sleep, water intake, it is very important for your daily lifestyle well-being. So if you are taking water daily, it will be increasing your recovery, it will make your muscles fuller. It is very helpful. Taking water daily is very helpful for your body and your muscles. And it will reduce your belly fat and it will increase your metabolism, taking water daily. And another thing is sleep. Maintaining good quality sleep, it has many benefits like taking good sleep recovers your muscles, taking good sleeps make your body energetic, energize your body when you wake up in the morning. So there are many benefits for sleeping, good sleep, or I will suggest you to take deep sleep. So at last, what is our 7-day action plan? First thing is daily cardio, cycling, walking, running daily. Second thing is core exercises like plank, crunches, leg raises. And third thing is eating clean, rich protein diet, rich fibers, and not eating processed food, not taking high amount of sugar. So next we will talk about metabolism boosters like taking green tea, herbal tea. But in my opinion, I will suggest you to take 4 to 5 liters of water daily, because water boosts metabolism naturally and it is good for your health too. And our last thing is consistency. Yes, being consistent is very important in this journey. So if you will be consistent, then you will get fast results. So follow this 7-day plan, action plan created by me. And if you have any queries, you can write down in this comment section.